5,000 people living in the UK with secondary breast cancer. These patients will never be cured. The good news is that there are effective treatments that offer patients a good quality of life, but at some point these treatments will fail. That means that people are more likely to need chemotherapy, but ultimately they will die from their breast cancer sooner. My research is looking at new treatments that can prevent the need to go on to chemotherapy. My research isn't just about extending people's lives, but it's about improving the quality of their lives. That's the stuff that we all sometimes take for granted. Spending time with family, taking a trip of a lifetime, going to work, or even just feeling well enough to catch up with friends. All the money you donate will make a real difference. It will make a difference to me in the lab, and it will make a difference to the patients that I meet in clinic. So from all of us, thank you so much.